Hey everyone. Hey Algorithm Soft. Doing fine, bro. How you doing? Just making sure that we are live. Yep, does seem like it. All right. Sound and everything is all good. Algorithm Soft. Devansh. Yeah, that's your name, isn't it? टेंशन हो रही है 8 तारीख से पेपर है. Don't take tension, bro. Just study well, prepare well. You'll be fine. Man, it is really windy today. Let me just come back. I'll open up my doors and windows because it seems like the wind is going a little bit crazy today. All right, we are back. We are back. Hey Tachi, you are bang on time today. I found your car number. Where? How? When? Where? Algorithm Soft. Hey, thanks for the follow. I don't know who you are. I'm sorry I can't see the name, but thank you. Might as well say something here on Twitch. Where did you find it, Algorithm Soft? Man, you're stalking me, are you, Algorithm Soft? A tech lead has captured bro's YouTube homepage. He will create all sorts of in your rap song. Oh, okay. You are stalking me, Algorithm Soft. That is not a that's not a good thing, bro. Next thing you know, you will find out my home address. Next thing you know, you will be at my door. And next thing you know, you're gonna get your ass kicked. One second. Yeah. It is real windy today. Yeah, summer is at its peak. The time is coming to get myself boiled. No, sorry. Bro stalked, bro left. Hey Parshuram, hey Abhijit Rai. Welcome guys. My new Twitch follower, not saying anything. Alright, fine. Sir, call by value and reference in C थोड़ा सा समझा दीजिए ना please. He's already waiting outside your door. Call by value and call by reference. See, I think call by value and call by reference is itself very explanatory. Call by value meaning that you pass the variable by their value, and by reference means that you are sending the address. So if a function is receiving an ampersand sign, then that means that you're not sending a copy of the variable to the function. It means that you're sending the address of the variable, which means that after your execution call, you're not receiving a variable back. You're more like receiving, you're more like modifying the value itself where it's in memory. So there you go. That's the difference between call by value and call by reference. It's mostly in functions where you use it, and you know how functions can accept parameters. So parameters usually are working in two ways. You can either send a local copy to the function, or you can send the direct variable address, where you can say that, okay, I have a main function where a variable is there, then please modify the variable itself, not send a local copy. There you go. That's the difference between call by value and call by reference. I'm not stalking bhaiya. You can say that all you want, algorithm soft, but that's what that is. He said, why don't you do site reviews? I can do site reviews. Send me yours on Discord. I'll do it. In Mobi CEO, yeah, I saw it. I saw it just on the toilet when I was there in the morning. But I assume that you would know that algorithm soft, wouldn't you? I think you have found out my Aadhaar card number, my PAN number, and all of that as well. अरे कब तक किसी की बनोगी, मुझसे शादी करोगी, ओ मुझसे शादी करोगी. Sir, okay. Soumyadeep, your doubt is clear. Soumyajeet, sorry, your doubt is clear now, right? We got 87.5 rupees per dollar before GTA 6. Oh, INR value in USD. Oh, sorry, reverse. USD value in INR 87.47. Man, that is crazy. Rupee value is after, oh, it is 86 rupees, now it is 87. Damn. Batman is here. Welcome, Batman. सर जॉब नहीं मिल रही, ना ही कोई इंटर्नशिप, 3 महीने से दिल्ली में हूँ. एनी सजेशंस? Suggestions would be to keep applying for a job rather than an internship. Just might as well go for a full-time job. Internships, in my opinion, are a little bit useless. Just go for a full-time job because the requirements are the exact same. And when you do get hired, just tell them that you need a internship certificate from them, which the company will happily provide. I'm telling you, the day I found my own company, I start my own company, I will hand out internship letters for free. Bro, wait, which rap song? Oh, it was a rap song where I appeared in the background. It's my brother's music production channel where he creates songs. This is the channel of my brother. He is a musician. So here he created a song. So yeah, right here. This is me. I've shared the link in the code review channel. Let me see. So here it is. That's me right there. The name is Warrant, and you can see me in the background right here. So this is my car actually, where we used it for the prop. Certificates. Free internship certificate. Yeah, perks of being a known name in SIDS community. Free internship certificate. Yeah, I'll hand it out. Bhaiya, you only leak your detail. Eh. Um, check pound versus dollar. 0.80. Oh, it means pound is still up than dollar, is it? Axiom OS. First of all, let me increase the brightness a little bit. Um, we've decided to program. We decided to program for the cartel, but this is a dope-looking website. Not gonna lie, this is really nice. Active projects 5 plus, members 6 plus. Join us. Explore projects. Let me see. Axiom Club website completed. This is a good theme. This is a very good theme. Yeah. What is it built in? Oh. Select element you want to block. Nope. Hey, very nice. Very nice. Oh, this is built in Next. Nice. Next.js. Channel 1. Channel select. About Axiom. This is very arch looking, isn't it? Color scheme, yeah, I get it. But this is good. Power standby. Oh, color adjust. Hey, nice. One click of button, you can change the color. Does it retain? Oh, it retains. Nice. Ooh, now this is arch-esque. Yeah. Check out the nav bar. You can change colors. Yeah. Hey, Roop. Might get to 94.71 at the start of July. I wanted to buy RTX 9070. It costed $599 US, but in India it will cost 67,000 round off in rupees. Oh, this is crazy. Can anyone guide me, sir? Harsh Kharwar. What do you need guidance on, Harsh? Prompt engineer in the chat. It is so sunny outside Bangalore. Yeah, Avinesh. Sir, I am a first year student currently learning front end. Is it worth learning 3JS? First year itself, you are going so deep into front end. I suggest not to. Stick to basics for now, bro. Get into concepts like 3JS later in your later years. You don't need to jump around so much. Try to learn React, try to learn Next, try to learn React Native. There are tons of things you can learn. You can even get into iOS programming and Android OS programming. I mean Android apps. Yeah. What is your favorite color? I think my favorite color is red. Oof, this is great. Purple, not so much. Blue pops out. Yeah, blue is also great. Project index. Let me system active. Suggest project. The official website for Axiom Club featuring a unique retro featuring interface built with Next and React. So can I click it? Can I do it? Oh, okay, I can. Huh? axiomclub.tech. So this button that, so there's a GitHub account, axiomclub.tech. It's not really redirecting anywhere, is it? There is no link here to, oh, this is planned. Okay, in progress. Waqt. A smart task management app that prioritizes tasks based on deadlines and importance using AI. What would AI do here anyway, bro? Like, are we just using AI for the sake of using AI? When are you planning to install Zorin OS? I will. Not now. I don't see that happening these days. Nope. I have too much work going on. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I have hurt you. Nah. It's all right. Only here for a few minutes, need to go. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fair. What do you think of this? If it is a rickroll, I'm gonna. Why good developers should use bad computers? Yeah, I can answer that question without even looking at this video. I haven't seen this video, but I can answer it. Restrictions are often good for software development. The reason that GTA San Andreas is, let me use a gaming metaphor. The reason that GTA San Andreas is still getting compared to Cyberpunk 2077 or getting compared to Saints Row is because there were restrictions back then. These restrictions made the developers come up with creative solutions. Like in San Andreas, when you're flying a jet, you're not seeing the entire map, are you? You are seeing clouds. It's faded, so you are not able to determine how far the map is that you can go, because there was hardware restrictions back then. There were memory restrictions back then. So what did the developers do? They used the hardware that they had, which was not so great, and they creatively came up with this solution. Just let's fade away the entire thing. Let's make it cloudy. So this is why you get that perspective that the map is much more bigger than it actually is. And when these hardware restrictions were taken away from developers, and they were actually able to render the entire map in the GTA San Andreas remastered or remake, whatever you want to call it, that version, you were able to see the entire map, which made you feel like there's not much going on here, is it? This is why you should use bad computers. Even when today's libraries and today's software updates that go through, they make the assumption that you have a high-end computer, like 64 gigabytes RAM, NVIDIA graphics card, 1 TB SSD, NVMe, and things like that. And therefore, those developers are not getting forced to come up with creative solutions. They just assume that people have the hardware. It's fine, ship it. This is why enshittification happens, isn't it? Because in the process of you getting your developers high-end MacBooks, M4 chips, or whatever, your developers are now not gonna be able to relate to people who are using outdated computers still. And they are creating software, and they are creating libraries, they are creating engines that make the assumption that everybody has a high-end system, just because we do as well. We the creators have it. My internet went out. So how are you here, bro? कुछ आता है या ऐसे ही लाइव करते हो? Shut up, coder. Bhaiya, my college has conducted every Monday exam of 40 marks paper. It's been 1.2 years since it has happened. Mental health बहुत ही खराब है. I'm tired of life. I'm gonna give you a little bit relaxation by making you look at the later phases of life. If this is hard for you, just wait for it when you get a job, bro. When you are actually in the industry, it's gonna get 10x worse. So whatever you're going through right now, I want you to know that it's gonna get much worse later. So you might as well enjoy and ride the wave while you still can, Whatever you're going through, Hariputra, I can relate. Just because we are going through bigger problems than you, that doesn't minimize your problems. But this is sort of a paradoxical way to give you a little bit relaxation and assurance that it's gonna get much worse later. That's the kind of stream you're on, bro. Coder is definitely from a tech leads community, Alma. Yeah, could be. नहीं भाई कुछ नहीं आता. Tell Coder to share his GitHub. Nah, it's alright. I don't wanna go. हम ऐसे ही आए. About to graduate, need to tolerate for more 43 days. Oh, so it's only 43 days. Yeah, you will be good enough. Don't worry about that. Before you know it, these days will be gone. So anyway, those of you who have watched this video, can you tell me if that is what this guy is saying? Can you confirm? Rip Van Winkle, I'm sorry. I have maintained 9.77 CGPA till Sem 7. Now my focus is to get 8 CGPA. I left studying. Nah, don't do that, bro. At least get 9.5. At least aim for that. Why would you ruin your CGPA like that in your last 43 days? It's barely like 2 months, less than that. Just tolerate it, bro. Some games don't even run over 30-40 FPS on RTX 4090. Yeah, that's exactly what explains that. Even like React or Next.js or things like that, I would say that they still assume that you have a very good computer with you. So if you have like an entry level 20,000 rupees laptop that runs Intel i3, you're gonna get fucked. You're gonna get fucked. Even though those laptops that you can buy for 20,000 still surpass the functionality and the hardware capabilities of laptops that were created in 2014 or 2010 or whatever. And still we are in this stage. Hardware hardware improvement goes like this with capabilities, but software is going like this. It assumes that you have the best in the market machine. Just block coder. Nah, it's all right. Let him hate, bro. Let him hate. Who cares? And also Ashish and Abhijit Rai and G Demon One, calm down on coder. Let him be. Let him be. Algorithm soft, you too. Just let him be. Whenever I walk on grass barefoot, my while leg gets dirty. I have to wash it every time. I am tired of life. I think this is a joke. This is a joke. Start breathing through your mouth. Nice one. Nice one. Almost the same. Have you ever tried having a government job? No, I haven't. No, I haven't. My brother has it. He is a probationary officer in Canara Bank, which is semi-government. I don't think it is fully a full government type of bank. And he has the security and he tells me about his experiences. One thing that is good about government jobs is that you can take a leave almost any time that you want. Although in election time and in like state organized events, you have to be there. There is no getting out of that. But other than that, normal days, he has so much flexibility. He can just call up his manager being like, I'm not coming today. And nobody can fire him. Nobody can. Only when the matters go to police or something like that, like, you know, some scam happens on that level, yeah, only then shit gets worse. But other than that, the employee union and the fact that people are there to protect my brother's job from getting exploited or making him work unreasonable hours is something that my brother tells me. But on the flip side, he also tells me that people who work government jobs cannot wait to get out of government jobs, and they don't get out of government jobs because in spite of having all of those difficulties that you face in a government job, which is you are not allowed to go out of India and the 3-year transfer sort of thing, people don't want to give up that kind of prestige and the status that a government job gets you. In front of a private worker, government one holds a little bit of status. So the reason I didn't want to do it is because of the comfort zone. I don't want the comfort zone that government jobs provide. I'd rather be scraping for food in the private sector. Abhijit, I'm tired of breathing. Guys, at least please don't troll me. It's serious. I'm not placed, no time for upskill. All time assignment, 90% attendance. I'm not trolling you, Hariputra. I don't think I don't think anybody is trolling you here. If you don't maintain 80% attendance in a week, you won't be allowed to sitting to next Monday exam. Yeah, that's all right. I feel like. At least office helps you in your life productivity and also continuous upskill because of work. First, getting a government job is hard, right? See, I would not know that. There are exams you can sit in. Government does have an IT sector sort of department. So you can get a job as a software developer working for the government. You can. Said, are you from Karnataka? No, bro. I'm from West Bengal. But I stayed in Bangalore for 7 years. Best 7 years of my life. Before getting married, of course. Bhai YC Corby. I have few genuine ideas that might work. What are your thoughts? I have 5-year experience in building scalable distributed applications using Django, Next, AWS, and Kafka. Sure, Abhishek, let's connect on Discord. Let's go through your ideas. Let's see if you can work this out. You can either grab a job security for life or waste years prepping for government jobs. Nah, coding ninjas. Ari from Karnataka. Yeah. Do internship and upskill in free time. You have good CGPA. Phew, not late this time. Hey Kidambi, welcome back. Yeah, you are not late. By the way, on the home page, the buttons under the CRT TV work too. They are Easter eggs. Oh, where is a CRT? Volume plus and volume down. Why? Where is a CRT? Vedehi Shah, front end lead. Cooking but not in the kitchen though. Nice. Usually writing code for screens, sometimes they also make stuff fly. I do not read terms and services. Nice, nice. Systems team, security team, design team, and content team. We are actively looking for passionate individuals to join our development team. If you're interested in development and want to be part of something exciting, we'd love to hear from you. Hey, there you go. Reach him out. Wow, T-sorting is legend. GTA is goated. Game devs nowadays don't feel limits. Yeah, you do need limits. That is, yeah. I am ripped from Twitch. Anyway, gotta go. Okay, fine, bro. Sid just admitted on stream that bachelor life is better than marriage. Bachelor life can be. Mine wasn't. Um, I am a proponent for getting married. Yeah. Hey, developer Suyash. I said, Bhaiya, do you remember me? I'm the one who tagged you on Twitter, giving shout out. Okay, thank you, bro. I think it was a while ago when you tagged me. T-sorting is talking about the resource management of the computer. Devs use super. Now you retracted your message, developer Suyash. Devs use supercomputers to build stuff for their comfort and they do not optimize it for simple hardware. See? Told you. Before even watching the video, I knew what it's about. Sudo contact us. Oh, what is this flickering thing that is happening? You might want to fix this. I don't remember who gave me this website. Oh, you need to fix this as well. When I pop out this one, yeah, it covers up this part. I hope you can see it. Ping C, yeah, you need to fix this a little bit. Is it Japanese language hovering? Yeah, but it seems like a glitch. See? Seems like a glitch, isn't it? Best 7 years of my life, then I got married. I said before I got married. That CRT TV is on the home page. Home page meaning this one? Oh, you need to fix this. You need to fix this. Where is the CRT TV, bro? Sir, Suneja sir के podcast में कब जा रहे हो? It seems like it will happen in March. Oh, we are already in March. Today is 1st March. Okay. Yeah, so this month it will happen. East, West, Oliver, Coder, Best. You're gonna get thrown out, Coder. It's on the home page. Where is the home page? I mean, this is the home page, I assume. Hey Pratt, welcome back. By the way, Firefox has recently just updated terms of use. Now they are trolled all over the internet. Yeah, I know. Mutahar made a video about this. Mutahar said that Firefox is selling your data. Firefox user data now for sale, r/privacy. I remember getting into it with the CEO of Mozilla back in 2015 over the business practices he brought in. I called him out on a lunch event for throwing away everything Mozilla ever stood for. Libre Wolf, in case this blows up. Can you guys hear any outside noise? No, Soumyajit. Sorry. Can't do that. I am so limited that I use Android phones for web servers. Really? Hey, Gustavo Fring, welcome to the stream, bro. Now in the second sem, I learned basics of C, and now I'm confused what to start with. Just follow your, Follow your curriculum, bro. That is all right. Even Brendan Ike himself posted on Twitter about it. Oh. Bognadon is behind Firefox these days. Brendan Ike. He is the co-founder and CEO for Brave Software. Nice. Co-founded Mozilla and Firefox, created JavaScript. Oh, wow. Brave Premium Search. Brave Search, it sucks. It just sucks. Not gonna lie. The one thing I change whenever I create a profile in Brave is go to the search and default to Google. Register, but why would such a well-heeled outfit need taxpayer funds in the one place? What was the grant for? Brave users can make free private video calls with no time limit right through the browser. Just go to talk.brave.com to get started. Yeah, Skype is gonna die. Man, this is like really depressing now. Skype is going to die. Crazy. My friend are also watching this stream. Hey, thank you. Bye, bro. Bye, hello. आज क्या चल रहा है? I'm just talking things. 1 p.m. Until 1 p.m. I'm gonna chat with the stream, and then I'll get to some coding. It was banger with TJ. Mangalore, hey bro. Oh hey Wekun, welcome back. Skype was OG, to be honest. Lots of good memories. Sure, but then softwares like these, they are just a matter of time before a better one gets into the picture, and boom, gone. GST app coding continue when? Today, bro. Today 1 p.m. I'll start. Namma Bangalore. Okay, let me go to. So I saw a pull request that was raised by somebody. Yes, implement email verification. So yeah, this one. NodeMailer package you used, that is great. I'm going to merge this. Husky pre-commit. What are these things, bro? Prettier ignore, build and coverage. Oh, you removed my readme.md, bro. Shouldn't have done that. Oh, you made it in a simple line. Okay, I see. Then all these space issues. See, one thing I don't like about code reviews is these kind of things. When I see things like these, it kind of puts me off a little bit. You know why though? Because you are using a type of prettier in your system which is introducing these kind of space changes. Somebody else will use something else, and then we can never agree on this. Like, see right here, all of my single quotes have now been converted into double quotes. I somewhat don't like double quotes using everywhere when it's not required. Only where it is required I like to use it, but single quotes, it seems like much better. How to rank on Fiverr and Upwork? I don't know, bro. I am myself on Upwork. How can I tell you that? Run this in DevTool. Sid is the guy who can motivate even commerce guy to code. I remember Skype users getting their IP leaked. Nice. Hey bro, watch your older videos. Why does it look like you have white hair? Oh, because I do. Because I do. Look at this. I don't know if you can really look at this. 1 second. Can't really tell if you guys can take a look. Can you really see? Oops. Because I do have white hair, bro. I do have it. Should I define prettier config? But then you will use a different type of prettier. This guy will once again raise a PR that will, change it once again. And then we are going back and forth with prettier and how it should be. App key, users. You became Unk. I am 31 years old, bro. Actually 31 already. I will complete 32 in this June. So then my 33 will start. You're looking at the CRT TV. It looks like a little weird on Brave and Chrome. For some reason, it looks alright on Firefox. I don't know why. Just zoom out on the home page. The design code create is written in the TV. Oh. Do I still have it? Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Oh, now I see it. Okay. This is consuming. Oh, there is the CRT TV. Oh, I see. Ah, okay. Now I get it. Ignore the readme changes for now. Oh, I will, but the thing is that I can't. I don't want to reject this pull request just because it has prettier in it. The login, it's too many changes, bro. This is what happens when you use prettier. You're essentially looking at things that you never even want to see. Those are not the core changes. Is there a moderator in the chat? My message is not showing. Come to Twitch, bro, but there is no moderator. I can assure you that. YouTube has this bug where I have enabled live chat and still it is running into issues. बाल काटने का टाइम नहीं मिलता आजकल संडे को दुकान में बहुत भीड़ होता है. The way I handle it is by using the CLI to format the whole code. Okay. क्या मस्त वेबसाइट डिज़ाइन बनाया है. Yes, it is showing. But if you face issues with messages, Vaikun, come to Twitch. The link is in the description box. Shreyansh, did he say something? What do you think of Claude 3.7? It is meaningless. All of the AI changes, AI, whatever happens, it's all meaningless. Who cares anymore? Did you guys see the video that they posted, OpenAI, where they have like 3 interns presenting OpenAI GPT 4.5, and the whole idea is vibe driven development. I mean, seriously, that's what you are bringing to the table now. But then, to be fair to Sam Altman, he did say that you should lower your expectations. Lower your expectations. He did see it. He did say it. I'm sorry. So r/AGI, Sam Altman says to cut your expectation 100x for OpenAI's AGI agent. So I think this is the result of OpenAI GPT 4.5 being so disappointing. It's not an upgrade. It's more like even more distillation, even more fine tuning. I don't know what that is. But given that it is named 4.5, meaning that it should be better, but it isn't, well, technology has plateaued, isn't it? Whoever wants to contribute to the repo should use Vim. Yeah, we should make it a rule. Yeah. They are cheating their way into FANG using this tool. No plugin. OpenAI ka new upgrade 4.5 also not that meaningful. It's not even meaningful, it's more like useless. And did you see how expensive it is now? $180 or something like that is the cost. Open AI 4.5 cost. Friendliest model yet at 1300% the price. Man, this is crazy. $75 per 1 million input and $150 per 1 million output. Damn. ChatGPT Plus users are gonna get 5 queries per month. Only 5 queries per month. This is the cost of friendship, bro. This is the cost of vibes, which you are getting here for free. Let's go. Theo made a video on it. Who hasn't, bro? Like, who hasn't? Fireship has dropped another video on 4.5. It's more like a meme now. Anytime OpenAI does something, people are commenting down below, I'll wait for the Fireship video, as if he's the developer on that. This is why I trash on Fireship so much. Bro, search that title of this app. I can't mention the app name. It's not showing for you if I do. Watch it. इससे तो मैं दिन भर खाना खा लूँगा 3 महीना. Vaikun, put some spaces in your app name that you're asking me to, you know. Bro, I'm building a thing like online Shark Tank that can collect investor to the startup founder directly, and also you can validate your idea. Bro is creating abstractions over already created abstractions. That is nice. Whoever wants to, okay. If AI does take over, I will become a manager or receptionist at my bro's clinic. Yeah, not a bad plan. Not a bad plan. I say it's fair. The only thing that I can forgive GPT 4.5 on is the fact that Sam Altman did say to lower your expectations. And this is what we get. Friendliest but expensive. That's the cost of having friends, I suppose. Price tag. It appears to be a new competitive phase with the AI race. Really? Is it a race anymore though? Like, just take the L and move on, bro. Companies scrambling to outdo each other with increasingly capable and increasingly expensive models. For context, that 10 times pricier than Claude 3.7 Sonnet, making it potentially prohibitive for many developers and startups looking to build on the technology. Might as well get offline models from DeepSeek. Might as well. Who cares? Bro, you misfired a tweet. What? No, I didn't. Let me send you a video on Twitch. Arindam, what do you mean? Varun Maya in shambles right now. No, he isn't. He isn't. He did talk about it once again, because of course, why wouldn't he? Varun Maya GPT 4.5. See, of course he will make a video on this. Of course he would. Why wouldn't he? Every influencer that we know is already jumping on this. Gaming in India versus the world. A shocking report on gaming in India. Oh, it's again Varun Maya, is it? Breakdown. Okay, okay. Every tech guy becomes gamer because games are a reflection of tech. Why don't we see any storytelling based games developed by India like Ghost of Tsushima, RDR or Sekiro? Because we don't have the capital to spend on them or the talent for storyboarding and concept development. By the way, actually AAA gaming dev can increase a lot. 300 million for Spider-Man 2, 700 million for COD Black Ops 6. A franchise, it's never gonna come out of India, is it? It's hopeless, really. Oh. Nah, it's all right. I'll just delete that. Bro read sarcasm. Read it in full. Bro, please read the full tweet. Yeah, I apologize. Misfired. Hey Dimple. Man, I'm leaving. This is frustrating. What is frustrating? Come to Twitch, bro. I already told you. The link is in the description box, bro. By the way, did you know about Technicolor disbanded their India branch? Yeah, I read that. This is depressing now. Technicolor got shut down. Technicolor shut down. Technicolor India shuts down. Over 3,000 employees affected. Yeah. The VFX studio. Yeah. Leading visual effects and animation studio. Yeah. India operations in Bangalore and Mumbai as parts of its global shutdown by its Paris-based company Technicolor Group. 3,200 people across India. Bangalore alone. Yeah. Tweet should be reviewed before posting. Yeah, it's kind of ironic that I misfired. Yeah. Bro, you don't post comic videos. I will. What the fuck? Why? Yeah, because it was a misfire. That's why. So how should I fight if it happens with me? An off topic, must see. Why middle class lives to serve and suffer. I don't like the title already. School board fires cafeteria worker who collected donations to pay. Yeah, that is outside the rules. I can get behind this. Pay student lunches. There has to be some sort of terms. This kind of thing I can get behind that a cafeteria should follow their employers' rules for what they have said. Middle class. I don't like this. Sitabja, that is business, bro. That is business. Even if a content creator says that it is going to be replacing developers, they are still going to use it for their business. That's all it is. So whether you say it will or it will not, both of the narratives you can use for your benefit to promote whatever you want to promote. Hey Vaikon, welcome to Twitch. They are cheating their way into Fang using this tool. Search this title on YouTube. Cheating their way into Fang using this tool. Is it this one? Coding Jesus. Do you know who the worst content creator like I am thinking of these days? It's Don the developer. My hate for this guy is growing day after day. Do you know? We already know that Don the developer is sort of a gatekeeper in tech, but he created a video where he said that you should stay away from r/coding boot camps because they tell you that you should not do boot camps. They're very negative and oh boo hoo. You should not get demotivated or whatever. And then he promoted a 30% discount off on a course in the same video. I'm like, this guy is not even sure what he wants to say anymore. But let's see what this guy.
It's a tool that can actively be used in the interview to feed you answers to questions that are asked to you in that live interview code setting.
My internet is not working today. Okay, anyway. Ashish, what do you mean by your question, bro? What type of thumbnail is this?
Let's take a look together at an email that a subscriber of mine has sent me with regards to the LeetCode interview. In the last decade, LeetCode played gatekeeper to fame. I think the LeetCode era will soon be over. Companies will demand a strong evidence of raw technical ability and past work. Doing 500 LeetCode problems won't get you through the door. Companies will see what projects you built. Do you have a grasp on the foundations?
Okay, how though? Raw technical ability in past work. So how is anybody supposed to hire freshers anymore? What past work are we really talking about here? And companies will see what projects you've built. How can you say something on behalf of companies? I just don't get it. Like, this is insane. You're single-handedly representing the whole IT sector and you are making this statement that companies will see. How do you know? Have the companies told you what they're looking for?
To give you an example, Amazon is pretty freaked out about this tool, interviewcoder.co. You can see how easy it is to game the LeetCode interview. Recruiters know it too. Pretty sure they're looking at different solutions. Now, when I clicked on that person's link, I was immediately...
This thing. F LeetCode. Yeah, I've seen this. I've seen this on Twitter. I've seen this.
Transported to a webpage that's title says, F LeetCode. I was like, okay, I need to keep reading this, what's going on? So I scrolled down and I noticed that there was a person that built this product that effectively allows you to screenshot questions that are placed in LeetCode-like interviews, feed them into an AI, and have them spit out solutions in real time. Now, I wasn't sure how strong this tool was, so I was initially skeptical. So I scrolled down and I saw proof. Throughout this whole video, you'll see me use Interview Coder for both the OA and the final round. So I watched the whole uncut version of this and I was mind blown. So what this person's doing is he's screenshotting the questions.
Link that Reddit post, bro, Sitabja. And you know what's gonna happen now? Let me make a prediction sitting right here. I think Google Doc interview styles are coming back, where companies will open a Google Doc, they will give it to you, and they'll be like, write code in Google Doc. Not an editor, because there is threat of AI, there is threat of GitHub Copilot. They're not gonna take any sort of work that you have created, like a home assignment task, because they will be like, oh, this guy must have used AI to get this prototype project done, right? I think the style of Google Doc interview is coming back. Whether I'm right, whether I'm wrong, we'll see. Time will tell. But I think that will make a comeback.
He's been giving real-time solutions with whatever tool that he's built here, and he's able to pass the interview in real time. So he was able to pass the Meta interview, the Amazon interview, and he's been given offers. And to me, that was mind-blowing. When I was at my previous company, I asked the recruiting team, what is the strategy we're using to combat people that are using AI to solve these problems? One of the approaches, or one of the things that was told to me by AI was literally, we are going to inevitably have people that use AI to pass some of these rounds. But we're hoping to catch...
Are you even surprised at this? My question is, how is this not surprising? When ChatGPT model was introduced, it was only a matter of time before somebody created a wrapper around ChatGPT just to be focused on clearing interviews and solving questions like that. And given now that we have agents, given that we have entire operators that can take control of our entire computer and can do stuff on our behalf, why are you surprised that somebody has created a platform called F LeetCode and are now doing these type of things? to clear interviews. The surprise is really mind-boggling here. That it surprises me that you are surprised. Sitabja Biswas, you can send the Reddit post to my Discord. I don't think a link will work here. An interesting thing is that even if companies stop hiring freshers and replace them with AI, the seniors in the company will obviously not stay forever in the company. Some can change industries, companies, some might get age and retire, so they need to hire freshers then eventually. But the thing is that the L is on you guys. Freshers have to bear that L because of this practice. Can you really afford to sit on bench for 10 years from now, waiting for companies to realize that things are broken, like our senior engineers are not working with us, let's just hire freshers once again? Can you guys really afford to have that? No, 100% sure you guys are not willing to do this. And you know the other thing that happened with Infosys now, Infosys actually got a clean chit. Infosys get clean chit from court. See, the clean chit was issued based on documentary evidence collected during the department's inquiry. And it says Infosys gets clean chit from Karnataka Labor Department over trainee layoffs. You know the argument that they have made? They have said that those people were not on payroll. So technically they are not employees. Therefore, we are not wrong to lay them off. Can you believe this? Unbelievable this is. See, clarifying the legal stance, a department source stated they were all only trainees with some undergoing training for 3 months. This cannot be classified as a layoff under labor laws since those laws apply solely to regular employment. There was no employer-employee relationship. This is devastating, man. And I'm baffled at how this number is thrown out. It was like 700 when I heard it. Now it is saying 350 to 400. Like, what is the number really? It has become a viral post. Share it to me, bro, Sitabjo. Please watch it full, bro. Yeah, I know, I will. It's just that this kind of stream that I have going on.
The cheaters in the in-person interview. Furthermore, they expanded on the fact that there are some questions that I think LeetCode or HackerRank or whatever tool that we were using to screen candidates marks as AI has not yet been able to solve this problem. So even platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, etc., they even recognize that some of these problems can be solved by AI, and recruiters are intentionally picking problems that have yet to be solved by AI or that haven't been solved by AI to include in their online assessments and in their actual, face-to-face technical rounds. Now, when I saw this tool, something that immediately came to mind was a study conducted by interviewing.io. What did the study investigate? It investigated how likely it is to pass an online technical screen cheating. So what did they do? They created a study that broke up 2 separate groups of engineers, those that cheat and those that don't cheat. The cheaters were able to use ChatGPT to solve one of 3 different types of problems, either a verbatim LeetCode problem, a modified LeetCode problem, or a custom
Getcrack.io. Seriously?
question. The non-cheaters were given a random question from one of these 3 categories, and their discovery is really shocking. Let's take a look at their results together. So if you scroll all the way on this interviewing.io study, you'll see what the actual results were, and there's actually something even more interesting than the results right below this. So, the control group. They found that when interviewees were not cheating and given one question in a random grouping of questions, they actually passed their interviews at a 53% rate. Then there were candidates that were cheating, and they actually took a look at the breakdown of success rate by category of question they were given. The cheaters that were given the verbatim problem were able to solve it using AI or ChatGPT-like tools at a 73% rate. The modified questions were able to be solved at a 67% rate, but the actual pass rate dramatically decreased from 67 to 25% when given a custom question. This is actually congruent with my own personal interviewing journey, as well as an interviewer, the sorts of different types of tools that were used to try to catch cheaters, and that was implementing custom questions. I had 2 stages of interviews back in 2023 and in 2024, and there's a very stark difference in the frequency of custom questions that I've seen interviewing.
I know. I already don't like coding Jesus because of what you're saying here, Arindam. Yeah. Isn't the whole point of a take-home assessment to assess the skills of building something using the internet? It was Stack Overflow then, it is LLMs now. Why would that even render assessments wrong? Ooh, you are kind of on the line here. Using Stack Overflow, I would not consider that cheating. It's because you cannot really pass a custom question and get a solution verbatim for a home assignment. Home assignments are usually somewhat customized. This year, the company that gives you home assignments, it's not going to be the same assignment given to students the next year. It changes. So Stack Overflow is usually for small questions where you are fumbling around a part of a question that you need help with. But Stack Overflow never aims to solve problems for you. It only aims to help you with your problems. But AI systems like whatever, bots, they are aimed to solve the problem for you, doing the hard lifting, heavy lifting for you. That's the differentiation here. This is why companies are hesitant to let people use LLMs. Because Stack Overflow, you really need to know what you are looking for. You create something, you face a blocker or something, and then you search that blocker on Stack Overflow, get that sorted, then move ahead. But LLMs, you just provide a simple sentence and boom, your solution is there. That's the difference. Judiciary with this many loophole is cooked. Classic case of contract gig employment. But those are not gig workers, are they?
In 2024, and I think in large part is because a lot of companies recognize.
Saw one of his videos where he says it's good to gatekeep. Yeah, I know, and this is why I hate this guy. I don't like him. And now they say they're cheating their way into FANG. I think it is sort of a pro gatekeeping sort of video where I'm sure he will get into that let's please stop using LLMs, only talented people should be here, those who can make it or whatever. I'm pretty sure he will say that.
That some candidates are just going to try to cheat their way in. In 2024, there was a large uptick in the amount of custom questions that I've seen in the quantitative trading space being given in online assessments and those in-person technical interviews. Let's take a look and scroll down to see something that's even more surprising in my opinion. Okay, so yeah, the verbatim, the modified questions, yada yada, custom questions. Not only is it statistically significantly smaller than the other two treatment groups, it is significantly lower than the control. When you ask candidates fully custom questions, they perform worse than they do when they're not cheating and getting asked lead code style questions. So a cheater given a custom question performs worse than a non-cheater. To me, what's actually even more interesting than all of this is that nobody was caught cheating. Unfortunately for the cheaters and for the people that are conducting these interviews, the worst thing that can happen to a cheater is that they're effectively kicked out of the interview. And I don't mean blacklisted, I don't mean that they are marked as a cheater for life, I mean they just effectively fail. Okay, I'll try next time. In my opinion, if you're caught cheating, you should be banned from every interview with that company to begin.
Look at this. Here's the gatekeeping, once again. Here is the gatekeeping.
With. And when I'm interviewing candidates, to me at least, it's very obvious if somebody's cheating. They write a piece of code, I ask them to explain it, they don't know how to explain it. Or they are looking all over the screen and it's like they have no idea what's going on. Or they're pulling up prompts and I see the colors on their screen as a reflection of their glasses changing because they're typing something in ChatGPT and I can tell that it's then spitting out the answer. But unfortunately, what it says here is that interviewer confidence in the correctness of their assessment was high. With 7.
Okay, 1 second before we finish this video, let me see this getcracked.io. What is this? Interviews are changing and you need to keep up. Everything they don't teach you to ace the interview. Let me sign up, let's see what this is. Hedge funds, hardest questions, easiest questions. Leaderboards, premium account. Early access to new content, Discord access, discount of 20%, peace of mind, you will never pay more. Really? Peace of mind is a feature? Okay. Career specific question playlist, access to the entire platform, you can answer anytime, non-premium questions only, original question playlist only, no future access to video courses. Coding Crusader, Dahonkas, Oof, TJ, Trevor, Coding Jesus. Ugh. How ugly is this website, man? Seriously? Seriously? Fuck you. Can't even bother to create a good... Oh, so now I log out and now it says premium user, no. Score 0. Show on leaderboard unset. Success 0, but I'm not even logged in. Oh, this is trash. This is trash. Is he advertising in the video Get Cracked? Yeah, he is. You cannot guess the exact result you expect with LLMs. You learn nothing. It's like asking a robot to scratch your hand while you can do it with your other hand. Stack Overflow, Reddit, etc. are for guidance and clarity. That is different. See? Lol, can't even use bold. Yeah. I feel like it's a hub for common issues that people face. No route protection.
72% saying they were confident in their hiring decision. So not only are cheaters not getting caught, interviewers are being fooled. Now, I would like to think that I'd be able to personally catch a cheater if I was watching them interview, but absent of really them being in an in-person interview, I might actually be falling into this category of interviewers that thought that they were actually vetting a competent candidate. I'm really curious as to what you guys think about tools like this. I want to leave on a closing thought of mine, which is, while some people might be able to use tools like this to actually fluke their way or really cheat their way into landing a six-figure job, that's really just the first step. There's no substitute for actually getting cracked, because when the time comes where you need to perform, AI is not going to be there to hold your hand. If your boss needs a custom...
Who said this? Who said this, that AI is not going to be there to hold your hand? Like, come on, man. Like, see, are you serious right now? Like, is there a requirement that you have to be unemployed to access ChatGPT? Seriously? Bro, as you're from Bengal, you know about the college called JGEC. We might need to spell it out, bro. I don't know. From the abbreviation, I can't figure out which college you're talking about.
Backend solution to integrate flawlessly into the current infrastructure. There's no substitute for learning how to code, knowing how to read other people's code, and being brilliant at writing your own code and delivering fast, scalable solutions to problems that are niche and that haven't already been solved by other people that some model can just parse out.
First of all, like him saying that it's a problem, it's like this problem did not exist before AI and LLMs. It did exist. People used to lie all the time. They used to like exaggerate their resume, exaggerate their selling capabilities to, you know, win over the interviewer and get the job. It's not an AI specific thing where LLMs have enabled people to cheat. Cheaters are gonna cheat all the time, whether it's any era of time you can take. Have we not heard about cases where people have exaggerated their resume and exaggerated their skill sets and ended up in the company? It always has happened. Insane. Okay, let's get into some development. Oh, Jalpaiguri government. Yeah, I know. I would say low level is much better. Yeah, he is. At least he is not a gatekeeper. This is too many file changes, man. This is literally like, but fine. I will merge this. I will refactor some of the code that you made, Ismail, but I will explain why I'm doing this. This AI argument is not gonna stop, is it? AI will replace, AI won't replace. First of all, Sitabjo Biswas, if you are still here, I want to see that Reddit post that you were saying. We are trading deep understanding for quick fixes. Yeah. I already said like 8 months ago, please don't use AI for coding, and let's see where we have ended up. That is why, like I say, it is the saddest reality of chasing trends. I called it saddest reality because software engineering is all about like measuring trade-offs. What approach you are going with, what will it result in? You have to be a little far-sighted. You need to be able to look into the future a little bit with your coding approaches and everything. And that is what so many people did not have. And now that these things are blowing up, now they're saying, oh yeah, please don't use ChatGPT. Please don't do this. So Tabjo Biswas, give me that Reddit link, bro. I want to see. My friend listed everything from testing tools to software programs that their whole team worked on at the current company to get a new high-paying job. But my friend only used Selenium. Man, that was a nice move. My friend's resume was subtle and good. Yeah, good enough. Good, bro. Sitabjo, send me that Reddit link on Discord, bro. I could not post the link here. Discord, bro. Discord. Post it there. I want to see. Sorry for longer messages. Nah, it's alright, bro. It's alright. Oh, this is register controller. I'm sorry. Yeah. This is what's gonna have to be changed. Was it register? It was register controller. Oh, here we go. So this send verification email equals email sender.js generate hmac where verify hmac. I would think that I would move this to email sender.js because I would really like it if those functions did not exist in this controller only, but they were see this generate hmac and send verification email. I would take these functions and put it in send verification email equals require sender.js. I will change this. Oops. Const generate hmac verify hmac equals require email sender dot. First of all, this JS is not required. I will do something like this, and then how do I go up? My undo is not working for some reason. How do I cut this? Cut function NEOVIM. DD, cut the current line, cut 3 lines starting from the cursor, cut everything from the cursor to the end of the line. So, okay, so DD. Okay. DD. Yeah, I would put this here and I would say export default export async function generate hmac. This will receive a data and a secret, and this will do this. Yeah. Yeah. Then I will take this function, visual line, cut this and paste it here. Yeah, so then I will do this and I would say export async. Is there any async here? I don't think so. So export function. Yeah, I'll do this. Yeah, save, go to register controller and email sender.js. So now I want to say that send verification email, after that generate hmac, after that verify hmac equals this. Also, I don't want to say default anymore because yeah. DD, search SOS corruption, Rohan learns. Bro, YouTube did not show my message to you when I typed these. YouTube or largest video streaming uploading app or use cylindrical pipe. I'm confused. YouTube. Nah, it's all right. Vaikun, there is some issues with YouTube chat where it doesn't show you everything. DMC 395. Welcome. I think this is your first time here. SOS corruption, Rohan learns. Oh, I've seen this guy. This guy is living his life dangerously, I would say. Doesn't matter what you have. Doesn't matter what you have put here. But anyway, somebody files a copyright strike and boom, your video is gone. People are saying that some people have downloaded this video as a proof of keeping the video alive. Yeah, hashing much better than bcrypt. Use argon 2 for password. Ooh, argon 2. Yeah, I have heard this, but the thing is that I have offloaded it to functions. So if you want to change it, yeah. Argon 2, maybe I will integrate that. He did upload it a month, no action was taken, but he re-uploaded a few days ago. Yeah, he did. Right here. 2 videos, 159k views and 970k views. This is a good thing. India and S. Jaishankar is corrupt. So, what politician isn't corrupt, bro? Like, is it really a surprise anymore? Okay. So then, I want to take this line out. Status true, active false. HMAC timestamp equals to generate HMAC. Good. Send email verification email. I think it should be. Think it should be await. User row. Okay. First of all, why is first name getting taken in the request? So it is changing a little bit, it seems like. Can you share the repo? Yeah. It's in the description box, isn't it? Where is it? Right here. I'm using NeoVim just because I want to, but then again, well, if I have this, then why do I need? In send verification email itself, I want to, anyway, we'll keep it this way. Send verification email. I think verification email is sort of misguided here. Send verification email should actually work with HTML content equal EJS render. Mail options is this. Verify email and HTML content. At this point, we should have an email verifications table where it will store what the email OTP is for everybody that signs up, so that we have something to compare with. That is something that has not been implemented just yet. So let me do this then. Oh. Also, one thing I'm seeing, can you see this cross mark on register controller and email? Does this cross mark like mean something in NeoVim? No? Believes it could be false but could be true, and most content diplomats to exploit immunity. Does that mean anything? At this point, we should generate an OTP. So const OTP equals so in that case, generate OTP for email. First name, timestamp, and then OTP. So this OTP generation would be some sort of, okay, anyway. Generate OTP for email equals require email sender JS. So yeah, there you go. Maybe we will use the email itself as a identifier for OTP. Maybe we won't, but let's define a model now. Sequelize, create model. Tried to install NVChat, had the same problem of X mark on files directory, so uninstalled. Yeah, I don't know what that X means. Are you into crypto? No, bro. Sorry, I don't trust it. I don't have any investment in any sort of maybe error on file. But what error, bro? Coder course. I don't know what you are laughing at, but you're free to laugh. Who cares, man? Uh, uh, uh. npx sequelize create model command. Model generate email OTP. Oh, so that should be the name. Name email OTP. After that, attributes. ID created at and updated at is already taken care of. So we will say attributes email string. I asked you doubt on Discord. Yeah, you did. I saw it and I answered it as well. What is the error that you're getting on sign up? Email string OTP also string. Do I need a status just to say that it has been verified or not? Yeah, let's take it anyway. Status tiny int. Do you know me? Last time I come Nishan Bhaiya. Yeah, sure. Oh, hey Code Edits. Welcome back, bro. We were reacting to quite a bit of content just 20 minutes ago. Now I'm done and I'm back to coding. Status tiny int. Yeah, this should be good enough. Maybe it will throw an error saying that I haven't installed the packages. Maybe error on file, God break. So many people have joined Discord. Welcome to Discord, guys. Really happy to have you guys here. What was it? Tech chat. No overload matches this call. The last overload gave me this following error. Argument of type request response promise is not assignable to parameter of type application record string any. Bro, first of all, why are you creating TypeScript files, but this looks like import sign up from user's controller. So then this says from models user model. I don't think this line is correct, bro, but anyway, fine. Export const sign up equals async. This is Express.js you are using, right? But you are writing TypeScript functions. Why? Oh. On paper, this should be actually I don't like you, but now I like you. Ah, thank you, bro. Import sign up. That is the riz, bro. That's my riz. I get my haters to start loving me. Did that command work though? New migration was created. Okay. Now let me see the migration. Control N. models, email OTP. So model name is email OTP. So yeah, we've got this. Oh, we are flying, baby. We are flying. Migrations. ID is this. Email is this. Status is this. Do I want to tell the model the migration to have a default value here? Default false. OTP allow null equals true. After that, email allow null equals true. Said bhaiya swag. I'm importing types express. Then that is a TypeScript problem, bro. Maybe I won't be able to help you on this unless I created the project myself in TypeScript. When did you have haters? Bro, Arindam, I think you are underestimating how many haters I have. On Twitter, one of my tweets, I said that Varun Maya's content has always felt a little bit hollow. Profile, this one. I've always felt that waiting for AGI's content is a lot of talks and video effects, but the content is always hollow. I never feel like I have actually taken something away from any of his videos. It's just a pretty looking HD video. Like Varun Maya is too focused on, you know, effects, the VFX, how the video looks, but the content is hollow in my opinion, and I just shared it. It went around 517 views and so many people started shitting on me. I checked your channel and wow, what a high quality content. Learned so much. Seriously, how do you manage to fit so much knowledge into one video? Unbelievable. 10 million subs soon, of course. And in 1-2 years, 100 million, obviously the world needs this level of content. And what I think is that your whole content is around controversy. So don't watch. So I do have haters, man. I do have haters. I need them. It's sort of a Stockholm syndrome kind of thing, but the haters actually keep me down to earth, in my opinion. So that's why I don't hate my haters. They are welcome. Yeah, this is good. So, oh, I quit NeoVim. Sorry. Yeah. So now I will say email OTP from DB. Okay, nice. I have one problem with you. Why you don't sell course? Yeah, I never will. I never will sell a course, bro. I never will. Because I've explained this so many times. I'm a software developer. Core software developer, bro. I should be able to go out in the real world, get projects and solve real world problems rather than asking people to buy my course and make money that way. That's not a respectable way to do it. I would rather use the skills that I have, get projects, work on it, and get paid from my clients. I don't want students' money, straight up. Oh, okay. So now I will do await email. Oops. Email OTP dot create. Email should be email. OTP should be OTP, and status would be false. No, bro, don't fall into that hole. There are no haters and no supporters, only positive and negative critiques. Stay away from this hater supporter trend for your good. Support is support is sort of saying that you are positive critiques, but positive. I can distinguish a positive criticism versus a negative criticism. Where negative is like they don't leave any room for me to say anything, but positive is like, hey, I know that this and this, but I think you can improve here and there. So I can distinguish that. It's all right. But I can't deny that there are supporters and there are haters, bro. Email OTP done, send verification email done. So at least now that if this function fails, I know that I should not have to worry. Try catch. This is a select mode. So I will put this here and then I will say console.log error in sending email, and then I will say error.message. Done. So now that this OTP has been created, the front end guy can take the success message and then say that email has been sent. Should I? In this send verification email, should I return something? Await transporter.send email. Then nothing happens. Okay. Done true? Maybe. Maybe. Oh, I should also define another function. Export function generate OTP email. Okay, let me search up a function on JavaScript. Generate random string PHP. Oh, not PHP, sorry, JS. I am watching you while studying so that my mind is fresh in between. Nice. Who cares, brother? Who cares? We learn code and build. Where is indent left? Oh, there we go. Return result. Length, right? It takes length. Okay. So then I will do let length equals 6. Characters equal to, let me change that as well. कभी तो किसी की दुल्हनिया बनोगी, मुझसे शादी करोगी, मुझसे शादी करोगी. Okay, so that doesn't work. मुझसे शादी करोगी. Yeah, there we go. Hi. Characters length, characters dot length, mat dot flow, done. Yeah. और कब तक जवानी छुपाओगी रानी, आवारों को कितना सताओगी रानी, कभी तो किसी की बनोगी. Generate OTP for email. That is the line. Okay, generate OTP. For email. Okay, we are not using the email really, but we will see if we can use the email to cook up something. Okay. Cheat abhi se. You can make of it what you want, bro, but it's a song that is playing outside my window. There is some sort of function happening. So, I'm not going to be the next Arman Malik, if that calms you down a little bit. Actually, AI do best coding. AI is good in coding. You can also use AI. Why are you so thinking? Is this supposed to be sarcasm? Maybe it is. Maybe it is. Okay, one last thing. I need to change this default thing. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Now we are ready to run this app, and let's see what happens. npm run start. Oh, cannot use import statement outside a module. Register controller. Transporter from config.js. Huh. Why is this guy using... register controller 8? Hey Tushar Gaurav, who is he? I don't know who he is. But he just wants to say something, let him. So this will change to constant transporter equals require. Amnak Pandey, I agree. Actually, you can make games website from them, then why are you so thinking? Okay, this guy is trolling, man. This guy is trolling. What are you doing today? Continuing on the GST app, bro. I think you don't know how to code or what is coding. He's trolling. He's trolling. Pretty sure. Let him be. Const fs equals require fs. And then const ejs equals require ejs. Yeah, this should be good. Please work. Unexpected token export. Verify HMAC. Export function isn't really like, um, isn't that an ES6 sort of notation? Export function, yeah. Hello, sir, can you share NVIM config? Actually, I did not use, see, why you still use ES5 import statement? See, I knew he would mess up a little bit. Yeah, I'm not trolling. This is harsh reality. This is future. You all are not understanding. Your jobs are not safe. And yours is spy AI. This is not Twitter, bro. This is not Twitter. You're gonna get called out on your bullshit straight away. Can you share NVIM config? This is NV chat, bro. And I did not even do the config myself. I got it done from me for me by this guy named Marcos. He's from South America. He saw my NeoVim video and he was like, "Screw it, I'm helping you set your NeoVim up," and he did it for me. I don't even have like LSP or things like that. Hey Tachi, welcome back. We have somebody called spy AI. Data is running out. Then just decrease the quality, bro. How to write export async function and use it in controller. This is using module.exports. Okay. Then do I need to change but Twitch is faster than cylindrical pipe. It is showing only auto and 1080p source. Sad. Oh, why are you trolling? This is the truth. Yeah, sure, because you said it, so therefore it must be the truth, right? Neon Toots, welcome back, bro. We have some sort of a problem here, given that this guy has written this whole thing like an exportable ES6 sort of notation, and our register controller is using module.exports. So there is a bit of an issue here. should have been written in exports. सुनेजा सर के पॉडकास्ट में AI के बारे में बात करना सर प्लीज. Obviously, सौम्य जी, that will happen. Eventually, every podcast is going to go towards AI. I'm just hoping that I don't get angry on his podcast and start shouting. Because eventually this question will come up, like what do I have to say about people wanting to get a job? Then it's gonna go sideways. I'm gonna freak out and start spouting bullshit. Export is only ES6, module export in ES5. Yeah, so do you have a solution here, Animesh? Can I really still use this export async function thing, but refactor it just enough so that it catches it and lets me use it? You are going to do podcast on Suneja. Yeah, it is scheduled. It hasn't happened yet, but it will. Man, Ismail really like messed it up, didn't he? So, but now I have to figure this out, which I can. Easy, let's do it step by step. See, NVIDIA CEO also said in Mobi, also saying this, no one will understand, time will tell you. Bye. Bye, bro. Yeah, you can see the error, bro. Right here. Unexpected token export. Register controller JS 866. And the error is in sender JS export function. And in register controller, this is how I'm requiring email sender JS, and email sender JS is written in ES6 notation, where it is saying my fee bad, bro. Sorry. Yeah, you did mess up module.exports with ES6 notation. So now we have to figure out something to get this working. First, remove the export keywords. Okay. Can you show me package.json? 1 second, I'll show you. Yeah. Cannot use import statement outside a module. Import node mailer from node mailer. Oh man. Okay. Node mailer, simple setup, Express.js. Node mailer equals required node mailer. Okay. Where is node mailer? Email slash config.js. Email has a config.js, bro. Really? Then just module exports pass all functions with comma. Function 1, function 2. Yeah, I know. Okay, bye Vekun. One more thing before I'm going. AI will kill humans, understand. Sure. Spy AI is definitely. What the fuck I just wrote, lol. Yeah, module tag exports. Yeah, I'll do. Long time since I used Express. You messed it up, bro. You messed it up, but it's all right. I don't think we need config.js here. Really. Yeah. Let's just leave it like this. Config.js, right? So where have you taken this? So here's the transporter. Transporter equals requires config.js. We can remove this statement. Yeah. And right here, he is coming to replace us, AGI. तुहार कोड केस का क्या हुआ? It is still going on, bro. Can I just see the .json? Yeah, 1 second. Package JSON, here it is. Now you saw it? Okay. Yeah, we can do this right here. We come too far to give up who we are. So let's take the bar. Yeah, this is better. And across to the stars. She's up all night to get some. I'm up all night to get some. She's up all night for good fun. You're up all night to get lucky. She's up all night to get some. You're up all night to get some. Yeah. भाई जान ये अभी तक गया क्यों नहीं? No, no, let them be algorithm soft. Throwing everybody out is not the solution here. Let him cook. Let him cook. Let's see. She's up all night to get some. I'm up all night to get some. She's up all night for good fun. We're up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to get lucky. See? Boom. There we go. Now hopefully register works. Okay, you commonly using CommonJS syntax, right? So use type CommonJS. So normal.jsf files will only use ES5 syntax and NJS, so it can use ES6. I don't think we are gonna complicate this to that level, Arindam, but yeah, let's see if it works. Invalid or empty first name. So he needs me to put first name here as well. That's all right. Actually, let me see exactly first name, last name, email and password. Okay, so first name Sid, last name Chaudhary. and set.sjv. Let's call it 123. Could not respond. Generate HMAC is not a function. It's undefined. AI is replacing mid-level coder and you all are chill. So what do you want us to do, Spy AI? Hey, Divyanshu Jain. It's actually fun having people like Spy AI in the stream. He provides entertainment for free. Warp के बारे में सुना क्या सर? What is warp, bro? Warp. The intelligent terminal. Oh, I see. I see. Hitesh talked about this. Man, I am up to date on so many things on the internet. It's crazy. Yesterday Hitesh posted a video, right? That's why one should not combine code styles in a repo, better sticking to one. Just give a disclaimer in the repo next time. Yes, yes. Fair statement, fair statement. So what is this module exports notation called? What JavaScript notation is module.exports? CommonJS. Oh, okay. I already can tell you I don't like warp. Yeah, CommonJS. Yeah. I can tell you already that I don't like this terminal because it includes AI in it. What if I don't want AI and this makes me uncomfortable. Agent mode. Start with a task, delegate to AI, and then number 3, solve problems. No wonder everybody is having skill issues these days. Just no wonder. People are encouraged to use. This is disappointing, man. This is disappointing. The LF Model 0 is priced at approximately $300,000. Did you know? Next BIF flop. LF, uh, LF model. Oh, this thing. It will be expensive, but at least flying cars are here now, right? Yeah, I use Linux Mint default terminal because that is the best terminal you can have. Let me write this in README. Um, please use CommonJS, CJS, style, JavaScript when you want to modify something. Now accident in air. Warp does cool, by the way. It looks cool, but I guess we will find out, algorithm soft. Did you just use mouse? No, 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 I didn't. Maybe when I got up, I hit this. Module comes under the globals. This in Node.js, just like browser window. Auto suggestions are really good. I'm not joking. AI has come now, AGI, and the next ASI, then end. You are not joking, but it is making me laugh, bro. So technically, you are joking. ASI, artificial super intelligence, bro. SBI, CBI. Okay, so then I will do this. So module exports is now defined. So let me go to this. Yeah, now we are ready. Still identifier verify HMAC. Oh, we come too far to give up who we are. So let's raise the bar and across. What is happening here? To the stars. She's up all night to get some. I'm up all night to get some. She's up all night for good fun. We're up all night to get lucky. She's up all night to get some. I'm up all night to get some. She's up all night for good fun. We're up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to get lucky. Oh. Bro, Microsoft already say AGI is stupidest thing. In sender.js, modify all function with constant function name equals this. Neon Toots, I don't think I will do that. Yeah, you're annoying. To close a file just now. Oh yeah. I did. That I did. Thing is, can somebody tell me if I do Control N? Now I have file tree, right? Then using this, let me say, just assume that I opened up this migration file like this. Now how do I close it? Alpha told me that there is no such thing called closing a tab in the terminal. It's only a buffer that you close. Close the buffer, yeah. But how do I close the buffer from the keyboard? Like, how do I do this? Is it A? No? Is it make a keybind? Control W. Quit a window. So if I press Q, uh, show diagnostics, close all other windows, split window, break window into new tab, swap current, decrease height. To switch NeoVim tabs and Q to quit that tab. Oh, nah, that I don't want to do. Sorry. Because, yeah, it makes me quit the whole thing. I don't want to do this. When I open this, this is a new, yeah, now I can take away the file tree. So there you go. Control W. Control W doesn't really work, bro. Anyway. Anyway. Your highest gig so far? My highest gig is 4,80,000 rupees back in 2024, June, somewhere around June, July. Yeah, that was my highest gig. Hey, next stream Lua learning to build custom NeoVim extensions. Man, that is too much to bear, Anandam. Hey, I can't be here, but I have migrated everything to ES module as I was getting some error. Please take a look at the new PR. Thank you. I don't use the different tab thing on the top. Ah, did you just create a new PR? 33 files changed once again. Um, app.js, forget about it. BinWW, forget about it. So you also included Docker Compose. Nice. Why Docker Compose, bro? Test simple GST app. Okay, fine. Config email.json. Ismail has messed up. Okay, anyway. See, now this works. Verify HMAC, generate HMAC. Yeah, this is working now. So let me send this. Now what has happened? Generate HMAC is not defined. Okay, I see what the error is. This would be email module dot generate HMAC. Then this would be email module dot generate OTP, and then this would be email module dot send verification email. So that's the error that we were getting. Yeah, this should be it. Still, crypto.create HMAC is not a function. Whoa, really? We come too far to give up who we are. Okay, so I think this requires const crypto equals require crypto. So let's raise the bar and across to the stars. Yeah. You're not using an ORM. Yeah, I am using an ORM, bro. Sequelize. Sender.js line number 34. Secret. Please don't tell me that I don't have .env file once again. Oh, there is. So it is app key. Somehow this thing doesn't. Process.env.app secret. This should be app key, bro. This should be app key. Yeah. Try space plus X to close the tab. space plus X. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Neon Toots, thank you. Now what happened? No such table. Oh, forgot to run the migrations. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Registration successful. Now we have, but I'm sure there is some sort of error. I knew it. Connection refused. 127.0.1587. I knew it. You're welcome. I googled it. Thank you, bro. I started working on AI. That is good. Hey, Kapil, welcome back. I will change history by making AGI. What about you fellas? Yeah, we'll do something else. We'll do something else. IIT Baba also leave job because of AI. AI king us one day if we won't stop to make high AI. Seriously, what drugs have you done, Spy AI? No, let's start simple, nothing advanced. Yeah. I wasn't there on first stream. What is the API about? Store GST information of different items. Yes, it is. So at least we have email modules separate now. Might need to rename this to sender.js. Should not say that, and it should not say, it should not be under, let it be email, it's fine. Went to IISc open today, open day in Bangalore. Good bro, did you have fun there? But this sender.js is still having problems. We will fix that later. Man, you guys must think that I code very slow, don't you? That just to get this register function and the login function going, it has taken me like what? 2, 3, 5, 6 hours. 6 hours to set up a project and get. No. I think it is because of my learning curve with NeoVim that has been adding some time. Otherwise, yeah. So the user should complete the registration and then they should go to the verify page. I'll return the email in the registration function itself so that the front end guy can take them to the screen called verify slash email question mark email equals this email address that they signed up with. Then they can have a screen where the email field would be pre-populated and they will have a verify code text button or text box. Then a message will be shown that your OTP has been sent to your email already. Please please enter the OTP. So then the front end guy can call the verify email API so they can verify it. What are you working on? What features it's having? Do you need my help? No, bro. What is your typing speed? My typing speed. Okay, let's do it. What was it? Keyboard typing speed test. Typing test. Wasn't there something called monkey? Monkey type. Here you go. Huh? Monkeytype.com is down. You can open source it. It's already open source, bro. Okay. 6069 confer elite merger brush revision carpet valid arise mix snow guilt observe terrify identification lack researcher guest expose just 5909 trail resist shell destination cotton airline transcript hydrogen peace bus supreme govern disturbing fundamental knowledge commitment mouse health care sense security new neighborhood myth withdrawal storm and ladder effectively 19. There you go. 43 words per minute, accuracy 91%. 43 words per minute is not accurate, bro. This is subjective. Coder AI coming, just search other job. Don't go in engineering college. Better go in government job. Well done, Spy AI. Well done. Keep on going. Keep this fear mongering on, bro. It's entertainment for us. It took me about 1 to 2 weeks to figure out Shopify's installation thing, implement basic rate limiting auth, maybe more. Yeah. But if it was, VS Code that I was coding on, it would have been way faster. Right now, I'm also learning NeoVim, so it's taking time. So what was the error? Yeah, we should really have a clapping moment for Spy AI. He has smoked something this morning, and he has been high ever since. So registration, let me send. Oh. Yeah, this should be great. His name is AI and fearing with AI. Wow. Me go bath. Okay, bro. Let me add a comment here. The expectation is to send the email to the front end after signing up so that the front end client can redirect to a URL named maybe slash email slash verify email equals email, and that will contain a pre-populated email box with an OTP box, and a message will show, please enter the OTP sent on your email. Hitting that submit button would call the API email slash verify post with the OTP. Yeah. So from now you're gonna use NeoVim for dev. That is the hope. That is the hope. But I think it will still take me some time to get there, to actually make the shift to NeoVim from VS Code. I do see the advantages. I do see the appeal. I do see the popularity, why NeoVim is so famous. But yeah, it is still, I would say, a couple months away from me shifting full time to NeoVim. I think I need the auto suggestions implemented in some shape or form. Only then I'll feel confident about this. AI is making better games like Do Not Tic Tac Toy that we humans take time to make. I never heard about this game, Do Not Tic Tac Toy. What is this Tic Tac Toy game, bro? IWSP HR hasn't called me for the interview, for the AI training interview. Okay. They will. Maybe try following up. Just ask, hey, what about that bus in resume fam? Oh, cross and zero game. What is that game called? Tic Tac Toy, is it? Leave him be, Algorithm Soft. Leave him be. He is high on weed this morning, it seems like. Tic Tac Toe. Oh, okay. This Tic Tac Toy. See the spelling he has written. Now this async verify email has to be moved to that file. Let user equals await user dot find one. How do you set up this NVIM? This is Windows terminal, and inside that I installed Scoop, and using Scoop I installed NVChad. Not I installed it, I got it installed via Marcos, and he installed NVChad. Then he set up the color schemes, and yeah, he pretty much handed it over to me. So 3 things: Windows terminal, after that Scoop, and after that NVChad. This is the end. Vishal Sharma, you're back. How is this the end? Like, what is it? What happened? Man, this is getting warm. I need to... Vishal Sharma equal to Ishan Sharma. A single person is missing for you and the whole world is empty. Huh? Are you okay, bro? Vishal, what's happened to you? Let the sky fall when it crumbles. We will stand tall, face it all. Together, let the sky fall when it crumbles. We will stand tall, face it all as sky fall. Um, I can be trash, but not Ishant. Do know is like jumping game that Google have dinosaur game. What have you smoked, Spy AI? I'm genuinely interested in knowing. CP login controller.js would be password. Oh, sorry. Should it be a should it be a separate controller itself? Should it be? Should it be? Should it be? Nah, should not be. So I don't smoke. I only drink Red Bull with mojito. Then it's confirmed SPI. You smoke. मैं अपने होश हवास में ही हूँ. Doesn't seem like it. Doesn't seem like it, Spy AI. I want that smoking material too. I think we all need it to have this level of quotes unquote clarity. Um, reg body. After this, if not email, return res status 400.json error. Please enter an email. Invalid email. Yeah, you just say that. Invalid email. If not OTP, then we'll say return rest status 400.json error invalid OTP. I only drink 3 mojito with 2 Red Bull. That is great. Who is galvanized steel here? I don't think he is here. Galvanized steel, if you are here, shout yourself out so that we see who you are. I am kind of pissed at him a little bit. Posting NSFW pics, then saving it for later. Because sometime I live in Goa. Yeah, drink a little bit less next time. Constant existing record equals await email OTP dot find one, where I will say email equals email, OTP as OTP, and status should be false, meaning should be an unused OTP. If not existing record, then say return res status 400 .json error. Do you want? I can send you, but make sure AI is danger. Your Vim experience. Freedom, what on your t-shirt? Yes, it is freedom, but like this, it should be freedom. Because when you open your arms like this, only then it is freedom. So that's the concept of this t-shirt. Freedom equals Maggie. No Maggie today, bro. No Maggie today. Today is Saturday, therefore no Maggie. Your Vim experience. I think it is going pretty good, bro. Invalid OTP. Okay, so now I can say email OTP dot update. Bro, trying to be Rose so hard. Oh, I see. Status true, where ID equals existing record dot ID. Mark this OTP as used and mark the user account associated with this email active to. Yeah. User dot update active true, where email equals email. Hey, I love peanut with butter. Does GitHub Copilot work in Vim? I don't know. I haven't set it up. I haven't set it up. I will. But yeah, I suppose we'll get there. So return rest JSON status 200 dot JSON message account verified. Ideally, we should send a JSON web token right here, because the expectation is that when somebody verifies their email address, they should be logged in just like that. Let me see in my table if I have the email OTP record inserted. Yeah, I do. Okay. We will stand tall, face it all. Together let the sky fall when it crumbles. I'm dropping college and I will sell mojito with Red Bull. No AI can kill me. Unless AI can come up with a better mojito and then kill your business, bro. There you go. Now you got owned. Account verified. User.update. Where email. Ideally, this should work. Yeah, let's save it. Yeah. So now if I do oh, ooh, post verify. Oh, is it auth slash verify dot email? Is it auth slash verify? What the? Huh? Ah, I see. Please tell me that this isn't marked refresh. So let me do this. Email OTPs, let me mark it this. Invalid email OTP. That is great. Yeah. Let me make a subtle change. We will stand tall, face it all. Delhi. Algorithm soft. I am from Bihar. Leave me. Live in Mumbai. Go in Goa. I am from Bihar. Asa live in Mumbai. Go in Goa. My birthplace is Delhi. What? This guy is simply high on something, man. Invalid OTP. Invalid email. Done. Account verified. Done. So now a solution would be to have ideally we should create a bearer token. Actually, let me mark this as a to do. Create a JSON, a bearer, pass it to response, so the user can be taken to their dashboard instantaneously. Yeah. All right, this seems good enough. Let me add another to do. Fix this function either by adding credentials or something, and test this out through and thorough to make sure that the email is getting sent with the dynamic OTP. All right, let me push this code now. Now wake up, spy bro. Right, code has been pushed. Now anybody go, no time, got assignment and exams. Ah, all right. It is 3 p.m. now. Oh. Let me have lunch and let's watch some content. Tell me what video to watch and react to. I will do it. Firefox just gave up on privacy. Of course they did. So this is the video, right? I used AI to pass my Amazon interview, remote code execution. Yeah, low level create some video I saw about remote code execution. Yeah, Vaikun, let's watch Neat Code 1. He made a video about this, isn't he? Man, this guy is really like blowing up.
I've solved a lot.
Oh.
So I just saw.
How to gain code execution on millions of people and hundreds of popular apps, and of course Firebase was partially the cause. I actually want
Many
to
software
watch this one. Software engineers are treated like garbage. Trump versus Ukraine by AVTV. It looks like deepfake or AI. Oh my god. Nah, I'm not really a political guy, you know. Freedom, Maggie. Let me get my lunch and I'll come back. Dr. Disrespect is back. Yeah, apparently he is.
So I just saw this on.
Dr. Disrespect just humiliated himself. I don't want to watch this because guy is a pedophile. Why would I care what he has done? But we will watch this one. Software engineers are treated like garbage. 1 second, guys. I'll come back. I'm just here. Yeah. Just a second. This is vegetable pulao, by the way. They host girl IDK her name. I don't know her name. It looks like deepfake by themselves. Also commented on Firefox privacy one. Saksham Sharma. Welcome back, bro.
Many software engineers in the industry are treated like garbage. The same perks that make tech feel like this dream job are just a smokescreen for how badly companies are treating them. And the worst part, the rest of us software engineers who have it pretty good are just starting to accept this as an unfortunate reality. We're normalizing it even, just something that happens in the industry over time. Remember when Elon waltzed into the Twitter HQ sink in hand and then demanded that every employee prove their...
I use the plugin mxfortion hardtime.nvim to fix bad habits in Vim motion. Oh, I should look into extensions. I mean, plugins. I'm sorry.
worth.
It's a Twitter bloodbath. Nearly 4,000 fired in one fell swoop. Half the global workforce.
As if he did anything except overpaying for a failing company, breaching contracts, and then pushing employees out the door. And Parag Agarwal, 11 years at Twitter, ultimately becoming CEO only to get booted overnight. This doesn't feel like the American dream. And it's not just Twitter. The rest of big tech is no better. Meta hires and fires like a seasonal business, laying off thousands of employees overnight under the pretense of performance, even though the evidence shows otherwise. Amazon, we joke that they treat their customers better than their own engineers, especially those working in AWS and the ad side of the business. But hey, at least they give them free bananas. I'm really lucky that LinkedIn treats me well, and I'm truly grateful for this job. But a lot of you out there are suffering, and I want to speak up. The reality is that tech companies are starting to feel like ski resorts. Great when the snow is fresh, but over time, the crowds get worse, the ice sets in, and the season ends. And I know a lot of you can't speak up because everyone keeps telling you that you're so lucky, that tech is better than anywhere else, and by complaining, you're going to just sound entitled. I mean, look at the free food and the micro kitchen snacks and unlimited paid time off. Except it's just $15 for lunch, some Costco snacks, and a vacation policy that is actually designed to make you take less time off. And people who do decide to push back, write internal memos that garner a lot of support within a company, are fired. Because at the end of the day, our contracts are at will, and no explanation is necessary. At least in other industries, the deal is clear.
There is a trend of yapping around the software engineering industry, isn't it? Like, I get it, situations are bad. Making it sound like this is somewhat of a yapping, bro. Other industry workers, their conditions are way worse than software engineers. But inflating it like this, at least they give me a banana, kind of pisses me off. Same, I am also using LazyVim. Bye said, I have to go now, see you tomorrow. Okay bro, I'll see you tomorrow as well. When I saw the name NEET code for the first time, I thought the channel was somehow related to the NEET exam. Yeah, same here, bro. I'm not in relation, never have been, and don't think I ever will be. But if a man don't know girl's age, or girls tell a lie, or girl is 17 and 11 months old, about to be 18, I can... Really? Do you really have to say this? Who is celebrating so hard? Who is on my stream?
Life sucks, but you know why. You sign up for it. But in tech, it feels like the ugly parts are hidden. You learn about them over time. Many software engineers aren't just locked in by comp. The golden handcuffs are comfort. The work-life balance isn't great, but where else are you going to go? And for H-1B workers, these aren't golden handcuffs, they're diamond handcuffs. A tough job that can at times feel unbearable, but what's the alternative? Getting deported? Here's the thing. It's not a competition. Just because other industries are worse doesn't mean tech shouldn't be better. It can be better. It used to be better. It's what made tech tech. It's why tech became so successful. And there are still some good eggs like LinkedIn that treat their employees really well. So why can't others do the same? But maybe I'm just young and naive, and all of you experienced folks in the comments are going to tell me it's a cycle.
You either die a hero or you live long enough to see yourself become the villain.
My point is this: with all this ruthless efficiency, cost cutting, and AI replacing jobs, many tech companies are normalizing a toxic work culture. If you don't know me, hi, my name is Naman, and I studied computer science back in the good old days. In the summer of 2018, I interned at Microsoft, LinkedIn's parent company, and that summer was a movie. Then I went to Gusto, a fintech startup in San Francisco, where I fell in love with building and shipping quickly. At both places, I was treated amazingly well. I felt insanely lucky, and I had every reason to. And don't worry, Wall Street, we also made boatloads of cash. It was perfect. It worked. And tech was still quirky. We had a Pitbull intern concert, Luai themed happy hours, and a whitewater rafting trip that almost killed me. At Gusto, I wore socks to work, took intern themed photos, and played way too much Smash. Big tech.
Just now he said it used to be better and all of that. Then he started showing his own highlight reels and how he enjoyed his time at different places. Bro, just look at the first few seconds of that short and does it look like generated? AVTV, right? This one?
Guys, come on, let's move. I think we've seen enough. What do you think, huh? This is going to be great television, I will say that. All right. We'll see what we can do about putting it together. Guys, let's go. Guys, come on, let's go. We'll see, I don't know. All right, guys. Guys, come on. Please. Hey, come on, please.
This one?
Trump and Zelensky were caught fighting on video. Watch this.
Right now, you don't. You're playing cards. You're playing cards. You're gambling with the lives of millions of people. You're gambling with World War III. You're gambling with World War III.
You know what's wild? Political arguments used to happen behind closed doors. We'd read about them later through filtered news reports. Now it's all right here on video. We get to see firsthand that even world leaders are human. And honestly, a lot messier than we imagined. Trump and Zelensky were caught fighting on video. Watch this.
Right now, you don't. You're playing.
I don't see what AVTV has to add to this. Their personal argument leads to the death of millions. Fair, fair. But it doesn't look like AI deepfake to me. That girl is AI generated or deepfake or real. Oh, the girl. Oh, Achina. I don't think so. And is the girl really the center point of the video? No, she isn't. So who cares? Yes, I am still live.
And then I went through the article just for like my own understanding because I got pretty curious about it. And this was a significant vulnerability that this person, Eva, reported and that they ultimately like discovered. And it was a very, very major thing. It affected, basically, it allowed remote code execution on some very popular applications, a couple, namely Cursor AI, like the code editor, as well as Notion Calendar, and several others. Basically, every app that is using ToDesktop, which is some software that helps you build and create an installer for Electron-based applications. And Electron, for people who are unfamiliar, is basically a way to use web tools to create desktop applications. So like JavaScript, basically, and then NPM packages and, CSS, things like that. I wasn't planning on making a video about this, but I thought that some of the things that I find interesting about this, I think this article is very, very good, but a beginner reading this might not.
Vekun, it's actually a lot easier than you think. Creating a deepfake of yourself and making a video like this, very easy, bro. AVTV already has so much investments in AI bots and softwares like that, so it's easy for them. Straight up. You ignoring me? Do you know who I am? I am your life, safer from AI. Can't even speak properly. Why the fuck would I care who you are?
Fully understand everything that's going on here. If you end up finding this video helpful, definitely let me know, because these types of videos are honestly pretty easy for me to make, a lot easier than my leak code videos. But anyways, let's start from the beginning. And Eva, by the way, is like an anonymous penetration tester. I'm not super familiar with them, but on their blog, you can find out a bit more about them. I'll read through the article for you guys and then try to expand on each of the points. This started when I was looking into Cursor, an AI text editor. Also, I used Lulu by Objective-C on my laptop, so when I downloaded the Cursor installer, I got this pop-up. So they said, install Cursor, it's connecting to download.todesktop.com. So when they say they use this software, that is basically, looks like it's based on Mac OS. I'm not super familiar with this, but it helps you detect malware and block outgoing connections. So you can see that it was trying to connect to
I'm having fun, Algorithm Soft. Raju, it doesn't matter. You retracting your messages. I already read it. So why are you trying to run away now? CloudSec has some good tools which detect deepfake, but deepfakes are getting out of hand. That's for sure. Yeah. Have you watched this guy's live video? The one that Primeagent reacted to, where he said that he worked at Amazon for 2 months and then quit. Do you mean that video?
A remote server, right? A different location. So that's kind of why the pop-up came up. And then, of course, Eva had a question. Now, what the hell is ToDesktop? I thought I was downloading Cursor. Well, looking at their website, they seem to be an Electron app bundler service alongside providing a SDK for Electron apps. So it appears the installer I downloaded is actually managed by ToDesktop, not Cursor. And so ToDesktop, I'm not super familiar with it, but it looks like it is a Y Combinator backed company. Makes sense, go fast, break things, and sometimes break your customers' applications or, end up causing them to have remote code execution vulnerabilities. But anyways, I'm not going to, attack them because they ended up fixing the issue pretty quickly as soon as they were notified about it. But yeah, so just to briefly explain, this is my browser. You can see, and it is Chrome. Electron apps use the Chromium engine. So basically, anytime you have an Electron app, the most popular one that you're probably familiar with, I think, is VS Code. Cursor is a fork of VS Code, thus it also uses Electron. I think Slack is also Electron based. And so that kind of allows you to develop a desktop application with web tools. I used Electron back in college. It's been a long time since I used it. It results in you having a pretty chunky application, but I think the developer experience is why mainly people end up using it. And so ToDesktop is, again, I'm not familiar with it, but I guess it makes it a lot easier for Electron apps to, build the application and then ship the installers to people.
Did you try to type too fast, Vishal? Maybe 3 seconds is the timeout. Yeah. Okay, that video. Yeah, I have watched it. Prime Agent reacted to him. Why don't they just use Tory? I don't know what that is. Just a thought. I kinda hate fake it till you make it, but seems like that works a lot in real life scenarios. Why do people with shortcut get better things? Sadly. Oh no, a timeout popped for 5 minutes. Oh. I don't know what that is about. The real world does support fake it till you make it mentality. So yeah, relatable. But that doesn't mean that if you don't have talent, you're not gonna make it. That doesn't mean that. If anything, you will go farther than the guy who faked it.
And so that was kind of the root of the issue. The issue came from ToDesktop themselves, and we're going to get into why. So after they learned about ToDesktop, this made me curious, and I made an account on ToDesktop to look into it. And when I clicked the GitHub...
Thank you for the follow. I still don't know who you are. Cannot see the name of the follower. But yeah. Yeah, I know, sad lip, yeah. It's used for building cross-platform desktop apps. Ah, okay. Oh. Twitch as well. So, what is your username on Discord or YouTube? What is your username there? So I can create a mapping in my head. Next time I remember who you are.
login button, I saw my calling, Firebase. I think what they're saying is when you go to...
Hey, I did Vekun, don't lie. I always shout out whoever follows. And I always say I cannot see your name, but thank you for following. Okay, Saksham, yeah.
To log in, and then like let's say I click login with GitHub, and by the way, my website also uses Firebase, and the reason you could tell is if you very briefly you could see the Firebase URL and then it redirected to GitHub. I think clicking login with Google just makes it a lot more obvious. You can see that this just proves that they're using Firebase on the back end for authentication, and probably more than just that. Basic Firebase Recon. Realizing the app used Firestore, Firebase's NoSQL database that is often used in front end, I quickly opened my dev tools and began doing basic recon on Firebase. I realized that the site has source maps, which made searching for all the Firestore paths used in the app even easier. It's still easy without source maps usually. So when they say basic recon, they really mean it. This is not like some hacker advanced stuff. Anybody can do this. Let me show you. If you open up DevTools, I don't know if they still have source maps available. I guess we'll find out. But just opening up DevTools, going to the sources over here, and it looks like they don't have source maps anymore. I'm just kind of scanning through all these. Yeah, so the way I can kind of tell is that these files do not look like the original source files that were used to create this front end. So just kind of clicking through it, you can see that this JavaScript is not really human readable. It was probably minified and bundled up. That's kind of a process of JavaScript applications. Many of you probably already know this. I'm just mentioning it for people who don't. And so it looks like they don't have source maps enabled anymore. But just to show you, generally source...
Who even comes up with these things? Notion has been notorious for their security mechanisms. First of all, Spy AI, do you think that we buy it? Do you think that we actually buy the story of you getting your phone with your friend and your friend talking to me, and now you're saying he's drunk, I check his phone now? Really? Don't act like you have invented the act of lying, okay? gave my phone away to my friend. Yeah, like really. Okay guys, let me go now. I am pranking. Yeah, sure. Tell yourself that however many times you want. Um, let me go now. This is it for the stream today. And I'll see you tomorrow, our Sunday live stream, 12 afternoon, same time, same place. Yeah. Bye guys. I think you have to block these type of people. Yeah, bye guys. Tomorrow we'll see algorithm soft tomorrow. But anyway, bye bye. I have my MSTs from Monday. Best of luck, bro. Saksham, bro. Best of luck. But bye bye. Now I know I'm still live on Twitch. So bye bye, Twitch chat.